In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a GitHub repository from private to public. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard with all your repositories listed. Look for the specific repository that you want to change from private to public. Go ahead and click on it to enter the repository's main page. Now that you're in the right place, the next step is to head over to the Settings tab. You can find this tab located at the top of the repository page, often to the right side of the menu bar. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you click on the Settings tab, you'll be directed to the repository's settings page, where you can adjust various settings related to your project. As you scroll down this page, keep an eye out for the Danger Zone section. It's at the very bottom of the general settings, and it certainly lives up to its name. The Danger Zone holds some serious settings that can impact your repository, so it's wise to approach this area with caution. When you reach the Danger Zone, look for the option that says Change Visibility. This is where we'll take our next step. You'll see a button next to a message indicating that your repository is currently private. Click on that Change Visibility button. This will prompt a pop-up menu to appear, presenting you with options that allow you to adjust the visibility of your repository. In the pop-up menu, select the option that says Make Public. This is the crucial moment where you transition your repository to a public setting, meaning it can be accessed by anyone on the internet. Before you proceed, however, GitHub will require you to confirm this action to ensure that you really want to change the repository's visibility. To confirm, you'll have to type the repository name or code into the confirmation field that's provided. This is simply a safeguard to prevent accidental changes, so make sure you enter it accurately. Once you've done that, take a moment to review your selection. Finally, the last step is to click on the button that says, I understand Change Repository Visibility. After you click that, your repository will instantly become public. You did it. Your repository is now visible to everyone, allowing anyone to view your code and contributions. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GitHub repository from private to public. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have no trouble making your project accessible to a wider audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.